Hey you guys, it's Michelle from IMichelleGifford.com, where I help you create content that makes you money. It's very exciting. Today we're still talking about Reels. I've had some questions come in on how are you supposed to create Reels with pictures, and how do you create a slideshow, and how do you make those pictures move so fast? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's fun. So let's do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to canva.com. It's free. I have the pro version, but you'll be able to do this without it. So I go to this one. It's an Instagram story template, and all it is just the size. You don't actually need a template. You can if you want. So this is going to bring up the size of a story, which is also the size of a reel. Then you're going to come over to uploads. Now you can upload your own video, pictures. I've already done that. So I recently did a brand photo shoot. So I am going to do a reel with all of my pictures. Well, not all of them, some of them. So I'm just going to upload the one, they're uploaded over here. I'm just going to drag and drop them over here. See, I'm just pulling them into here, and I can do as many pages as I want. Okay, let's say I've done that. That is 5. Let's do a couple more because I think we're going to want to show you how to speed things up. Okay, so I have 8 pictures. All right, now you can go and title your design. All right, then when you go to download, you are going to download, click here, and you're going to download as an MP4 video, okay? So you're going to do that, and you're going to download it. So once that's downloaded, then you can send it, get it on your phone, okay? Get it on your phone. That's the next step. You can just email this to yourself and then download it. If you have Canva on your app, like the Canva app, then you can download it this way. I think this is the easiest. I do this, and then here is the file, and I'm gonna email that to myself, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so I'm gonna come to this app. It's called InShot. Click there. I'm gonna click on video, do a new one. And then I'm going to find, this is the video I just made. And if you noticed, it was 40 seconds long. And 40 seconds means that each picture is 5 seconds, which is way too long for a reel, right? Like, this seems real boring. Still boring. Okay, so we're going to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and then you're going to scroll this way, and we're going to do speed, and we're going to do 4 times the speed. Do that. Now when we watch it, it's pretty quick, right? And this is about right, and it's now 10 seconds, and that's easy. So we just go to export it. We're going to save it. Now once this is saved, it'll be saved to our camera roll, and we can do this. So we'll go to our Instagram, we'll go up here, we'll go to our Reels, and then we'll click down here at the bottom, and we'll find that video we just made. Click there. Now you could add extra video. There's extra 5 seconds if you want to, or you could do that, and now you can watch it. You could even go back. Let's go back. Let's add some music.
Put your hands up if you're ready to have. Put your hands up if you're ready to have some fun. Come on, sing it.
All right, then you can write your caption and export it, and you are done. All right, that is it. That is all you have to do. Now, if you want extra help on learning Reels, come check out my other videos. You can sign up and get my 5-day Rock the Reels challenge at IMichelleGifford.com/rockthereels. And if you use this and you create a reel with this slideshow, I would love to see it. Tag me, and I will come cheer you on. All right, you guys, get to work.